Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to pin a space on Google Chat using your PC. If you've recently noticed some changes in the layout or features, that's because Google introduced a new update that makes managing your chats and spaces even more convenient. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of your screen, right next to your profile photo. You'll see a small grid icon made up of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots to open a list of Google services. From this menu, scroll down and click on Chat. This will open Google Chat, where you can access your messages, groups, and spaces. Once you're inside, you'll notice your spaces listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, find the space that you want to pin. Hover your cursor over that space's name, and you'll see 3 small dots appear to the right side. These 3 dots represent additional options for that particular space. Click on them to open a small menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Pin. Click on Pin, and just like that, your chosen space will move to the top of your list under the Pinned section. This makes it much easier to access your most important or frequently used spaces without having to scroll or search through your entire list. If you ever change your mind or want to unpin a space, the process is just as simple. Go back to the same space, click the 3 dots again, and choose Unpin. It will then return to its regular place in your space list. And that's all there is to it. With this new update, pinning a space on Google Chat helps keep your workspace more organized and your conversations more accessible. Now you can stay focused on what matters most without wasting time searching through long lists of chats. Thanks for watching.